Have you ever washed your pillows? Yes, they need to be washed. Most pillows can be tossed in the wash 2 at a time. Make sure to use a non-toxic detergent, and we use vinegar as a fabric softener. Simple as that.
So today I'm going to show you how I clean the pillows for my bedding. Just as a little heads up, this is kind of a task, so make sure you're doing it early in the morning. I also like to try to do this more so in the summertime so that they can lay out to dry. It just makes the process go a lot easier, but let me show you how I do it. So you're going to mix all the ingredients together that I just listed, and you're going to soak your pillows in the tub 4 to 8 hours. I only did mine for 4 hours because they were fairly new and I needed to get them dry. So once you drain your tub, you want to rinse them out as best you can just to make sure you're getting out all of that laundry detergent, and then wring them out with your hands as best as you possibly can. In the summer, this is where I kind of let them sit outside to dry instead of wringing them out. But then you'll toss them in the dryer with a tennis ball. The tennis ball will make them nice and fluffy, and then they'll be good to go. I probably do this once every 6 months, and it feels so nice when you do it. So I hope you enjoyed this little trick.
Hey guys, I decided to do the pillow TikTok trend in the bathtub. Please do not judge. These pillows are about 13 years old. I like sleeping on flat pillows. That's why I don't have new ones. In this bowl, I have a Tide Pod mixed with some fabric softener. I then went ahead and got some borax from Target. It was like $3, sprinkled it on both sides of the pillows to let them sit. More fabric softener for softness and smell. Then I'm going to go ahead and let them sit for a couple hours, poke it around, make sure everything is evenly spread out. And I did use hot water, by the way. All right, so they're just hanging out. 2 hours later, I did take them out. The water wasn't so bad, maybe because of the fabric softener. I did take the first pillow out of the dryer, and I'm going to be honest, I'm pissed. It looks like it's super fluffy, and I like flat pillows. But